Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel again. We have a woodland themed tiered tray decorating video for you today. And let me just say, this tray is absolutely massive. Like, it's about 70 centimeters high. It is so big and I love it so much, and I thought it would be perfect for my woodland theme. So as you can see, I've got an obscene amount of little woodland creatures and more of that rustic sort of feel to the ornaments. So these are going to be stuffed in this tiered tray. So like I said in my previous videos, I'm doing 4 of these mini videos just showing you how I'm decorating each of my 4 tiered trays for Christmas, all with a different theme. So this one is my woodland theme, and let's just get straight into it. So this one may be a little bit more difficult to film, but I'll do my best. So again, what I like to start with is the bigger items first, what I'm going to be putting on there. And what I've got here are some little tea light candles, and I've got a little egg cup here just to use as little risers in the tiered stand. So if certain things need a little bit of lift to give them a bit of height, I'm just going to use those. You can use anything, little boxes, matchboxes, little pieces of clay, whatever you've got, just to give a little bit of height to certain things. So here you go, guys. Here is my woodland tray for this year. And like I said, I love my tray fully stuffed with lots of things to look at from all sides. And this is pretty much where it's going to be this year in my entryway. I just added a few little Christmas balls just to give it a bit of Christmas sparkle when you're looking in there. And I'll show you what it looks like with all the little lights on. So this is it with all the little light fixtures all lit up. It'll probably look better in the dark, but yeah, I'm really happy with the way that's turned out. And I don't think I need any more woodland creatures at this stage, because I'm pretty sure this is the biggest tiered tray that there ever is. And yeah, it's chock-a-block full, as you can see. Well, I have one more tiered tray decorating video for you guys, and that's the Kitsch sort of real traditional Santa Claus type red and white and green theme to that one. So look out for that one shortly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.